Welcome my chika fams. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started.
Hi guys, so on this side I have a lot of succulents and rocks vases that I actually got from the Dollar Tree, which is pretty cool. And if you want more like a realistic kind of look, these are from Michael's. I actually got these 50% off. Normal price is $10 and I got them for $4.99, which is an awesome deal because you do get 20 in each little packet. And then I also bought individual ones because I kind of wanted to compare and kind of show you guys the difference between the Dollar Tree and the ones from Michael's. So the one on my left side, this is from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, it's a little bit more plasticky looking. And the one on the right side, which is from Michael's, is more realistic. But again, once you have the vase decorated and everything, you're not gonna really be able to tell where you got them from, and they're gonna look pretty cool. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this vase. I'm gonna show you an awesome, easy design. I am gonna go ahead and use these rocks, again, Dollar Tree. Just gonna grab a couple. Let them in there. You don't need a lot. Just something very simple like that, and it's gonna look really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these long ones. I'm actually gonna grab this short one first, and I'm gonna shove it all the way down. Looks pretty cool, right? Well, we're not done yet. I'm actually gonna kind of slant it towards the top. Now I'm gonna put this one behind it, so you kind of add a little bit of an element. Now, if your vase is a little bit too either big or small or something, you can always cut the stems with a wire cutter. But in my instance, I kind of didn't want to do that. So again, you're basically playing around. If it helps, you can kind of move around the rocks so that way this one's planted first. And I'm just showing you different options of how you can kind of put the plant in there, and then just shove this one there, so it kind of adds a little bit of a dimension. And there you have it, guys. Here is an awesome first one. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so here is the second design. We're gonna go ahead and use these rocks, the white ones from the Dollar Tree. And we're gonna go ahead and fill up this vase. Easiest way is just dump it in there. Now we're gonna create more of this is gonna have more of a simplicity white look, very clean. I did not want to mix the other rocks in this one. Kind of just wanted to leave it more of a plain white style succulent rock. Here's a little bit of a gray one. If you see some gray ones, random ones, just take them out. Again, we're going for more of a all white kind of look. Now, once you put in your rocks, you're gonna go ahead and get the succulents. Now, I'm gonna show you two different styles. First, we're gonna work with the ones from Michael's. Pretty easy. Just shove them in there, and then I'll give you guys an overlook so you guys can kind of see how easy these are. And then just shove them in the rocks. You know how it is, guys. Very simple. Simplicity is sometimes always better than overcrowded. And then if you have trouble sticking them in there, again, just shove them in there as well as you can. So, really pretty. Here's one look. Very simple, right? For the second look, remove the flowers, which are from Michael's again. This flower is from the Dollar Tree. So all I'm gonna do is just add this one flower. Since it's already a big one, again, it's a lot easier if you use your finger to make a hole in there. And this, because it's so big, it's gonna cover the whole flower base. And look how cute that is. Super simple. Guys, another idea. If you have any pot vases lying around the house or like candle holders, this one I got from Hobby Lobby like a long time ago for $4.99. But again, I had it laying around. You guys can also use these for your succulents as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with the white rocks that we got from the Dollar Tree. Now, before you fill it all the way up, go ahead and grab the flowers that you're gonna be working with, or the succulents, sorry, they're not flowers. And go ahead and just start putting them in there before you add all the rocks. One of the things I noticed is if I added the rocks first and I tried to put the succulents in there, I actually had a bit of trouble trying to push them down. So you can do either way, but again, the other way is a little bit of a pain. This way it's a lot easier. Everything stays in place. And what you're gonna do is just fill in the gaps with the rocks. I'll give you an aerial look. So here we go. Again, all I'm doing, adding rocks to fill it up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. I'm just shoving the rocks for now. Sorry for the mess. I am using one hand, guys. So let me go ahead and clean this up and I'll be right back. So guys, here is the look for this design. You can leave it like this, or you can go ahead and just add random baby succulents that, again, I ended up getting from Michael's. I'm just gonna go ahead and just shove them everywhere. Where I see more of an open space, to give it more of a realistic look, I'm gonna put this cute one back here. And there you go, guys, see? Super cute. Go ahead and mix the different rocks we got from the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna be using these, and we are gonna be using the white ones as well. So I kind of want to put the white ones at the bottom of the vase. Okay, there you go. And if you see any gray ones, it's fine. It's fine if you see any other different colors, because we are going to be adding the brown rocks on top. It's pretty cool. Adding more of a dimension, and it's just kind of fun. You don't have to stick with using one particular rock. You can go ahead and just have fun with this, guys. You guys can add black rocks. You guys can add... Alright guys, so you go ahead and fill the rocks all the way to the top. If any rocks fall, just fill it in. And so now you're looking more of a 2-dimension style of rocks. Oh look, here's a couple more. Let's just add that one. So here is one of the looks. So again, since we're playing with 2 different styles of rocks, it was a little bit hard for me to shove the stems inside there. You guys are welcome to cut the stems, but for the purpose of this video, I did not want to cut the stems just yet, because I am showing you guys different designs of how to do this. Again, these are mixed succulents. Some are from Dollar Tree, Michael, and I'm actually gonna add more so you guys can see how making it full will actually bring it to life, I feel like. So you kind of want to work with smaller ones in the front if you have more of a space like this. If you're working with the back, you're going to want to add more taller ones than opposed to smaller ones, because you're not going to be able to see it. So how about, because since we're going back and forth from using the ones from Dollar Tree and Michael's, I kind of feel bad because I've neglected this one's from Dollar Tree, and these are super cute. They come like this, so all I'm gonna do is just twist it, and ta-da! There you go. Now you have an awesome $1 succulent. Pretty cute. I'm gonna do the same for this one. Take it out. I'm gonna take all this fluffs out. It's kind of like foam or something. Yeah, it is foam. Nobody's gonna see that, so just add this succulent right here in the front. Oh, how cute! How cute! And there you guys have it. There's one awesome cute look. Guys, remember this vase? I went ahead and added more rocks to this. So just add them in there. And I wanted to show you a different design using this vase. Now, the first tutorial that I showed you guys, it was the succulents were kind of like sticking out, and it was not succulents, it was more like different flowers and stuff. So I kind of wanted to show you these. Again, they're from Michael's, and what you're gonna do is just place them there like so. I'm actually gonna use more smaller ones for here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of dimension. So we're gonna get this one from the Dollar Tree. Go ahead and pull it out. And you know what? I'm gonna put this one first. And then I'm gonna put the second one there, kind of like shove it in there. And this little one right there. And there you go, guys. You guys have an awesome terrarium. And it's underneath. It looks cool.
And there you guys have it. This was an easy DIY. Hope you guys get some inspiration out of this. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.